Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. Today we're going to take a look at the Canon PIXMA, I do believe is how it's pronounced, PIXMA TS3122 wireless all-in-one printer, scanner, copier. So what we'll do is we'll unbox it, see what's all in there, look at the build quality, put the ink cartridges in, and then we'll plug it in and we'll do a test print and see at the resolution how good of quality of printer this is. Alright, so let's get opening it up. Now, a cool feature with this being wireless is Canon has an app, and I use Android myself, but I do believe you can get it for iPhone, I think. Not positive, but it will allow you to be able to print from your phone or tablet. And that's kind of one of the reasons I picked this printer up. I had one. I bought a few of them not too long ago because they were on sale at Walmart for $20. And it was a Canon PIXMA, but it wasn't wireless. Other than that, it was almost the same thing. And I'll just be putting that out in the garage in the shop, and I can use that for printing out stuff out there. But all right, we got here, that looks to be a power cord. There's an instruction manual. We'll open that stuff up in a minute. Let's get the printer out of the box. There we go. Got it out. Looking at the side of the box here to see if, yes, this will work with Mac. It says iOS, Android, Windows 10 mobile, it'll work with. So, all right, operating systems, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, or Windows 7 with Service Pack 1, which is good because I'm still running the old Windows 7. And this will not work with Windows 8. I have seen some things on that. It will work with 8.1, but not 8. So keep that in mind. All right, I don't think we need the box. Well, I am impressed the packaging's not too bad. This would definitely, if you had this shipped to you, would hold up. So that's good. I always like to take a look at the packaging because, you know, some people, they'll order these because, I mean, it was inexpensive at Walmart, but you might be able to find it on eBay or somewhere else, even a few dollars cheaper, but still. This was $35 at the store. My store is a 20-minute drive. No big deal. All right, in the packaging with it, there's a, open this up. I see a disc, so that will be our drivers. Okay. Oh, I've never seen this before. I bought quite a few printers. There's a little package of photo paper, 4x6. How many's in there? Doesn't really say. Well, there's a number 4 right there, but then there's stars under it. I'm not sure there's 4 of them in there or what, but that's interesting. I generally have my photos printed professionally, and I don't mean the little kiosk thing that you can find at some stores. I have a place print them on real photo printers. All right. In with that, we've got just a little basic sheet here with some safety precaution stuff on it. Nothing really important on there that I can see, so we'll throw that away. There's another sheet in there. Try the app. It tells you where to get it. I already know where to get the app from. All right, so we don't need that stuff. Throw that aside. There's the instruction book, and I will need that because I want to. I'm going to be hooking this up wirelessly, so All right, there's the 243 and 244 ink cartridges. And those are the cheapo ones that have the least amount of ink into them. But they are refillable. I've got, matter of fact, that other printer Canon I have uses the same cartridges, and you can refill them. Not too many times, usually 2-3 times, and then it'll be the same with this. For $35, I'll probably just go buy another one. All right, there's a little piece of stuff on there. There's a sticker here. It's set up and use. I don't know. I'm going to leave it on there for now. There's a little tab in there you got to pull off. I think the build quality so far, excuse me, I'm looking at it, it's not too bad. I've definitely seen worse. All right. We've got some of the plastic stuff here. And here to pull off. All right, and that folds open. It pulls out. That little goofy thing, all that stuff, we don't need any of that. All right, let's get these ink cartridges in. All right. Well, they're way back in there, little tiny, whoops. That would be, okay, that does fold up. That's what I was trying to do. All right, that's where the cartridges go. To speed this video up, what I'm going to do, I mean, you should know how to put a cartridge in. I'm going to stop, pause this, stick these in, get a power cord, and we're going to try this out. So I'll catch you back in just a second. All right, I got the cartridges snapped in. I got power connected to it. I did notice on the back, this is a wireless printer, but if you don't want to use it wirelessly, it didn't come with the USB cable, but it's the same one all the printers use, but there is a spot to plug in a USB cable in the back. So also, I opened the photo paper sample pack. There's 3 pieces of paper in it. You could have gave us a 10-pack. I mean, it's Canon paper. I looked on the back side of it. Who I have print my photos, they use Kodak paper, and this is a photo I took springtime, I think like 2 years ago. And what we're going to do to test this out is I put a piece of the photo paper in. I got it loaded here. We're going to put this on the scanner, and we're going to test out how good the scanner is and see the print quality of that. The print quality, if you're printing off the computer, is going to be better than this, but this is a quick test, and I don't have to hook a computer up and everything. So let's go ahead. Now, I didn't connect this to the network yet. Power light's on, everything. I think I can go ahead and use the copy function. We'll see. All right, I see there's an arrow right here, so I'm assuming that is where the top would be. That in there, down, and I want a color. I'm going to press that. All right, why ain't you working? We should be able to use the copier function without being connected to a network. There, right there, Canon, you just lost a point. There's no way you're getting a 10 out of 10 now. All right. How hard is this to connect up to a network? I'm going to turn it off and on again and see what happens here. All right, there we go. Now it's not flat. All right. I guess you have to turn it on once. If you ain't connect the network, turn it off, turn it on. I hit start. It looks like it's doing something here. Maybe I got to press OK. There we go. Now it's doing something. Oh, come on. Well, it's making noises. It's doing something. There we go. Oh, okay. It must have scanned it. I didn't even hear. All right, you redeemed yourself. I've had many scanners, and this one made almost no noise when it was scanning. All right. All right, well, I obviously didn't line it up right. I thought the way it went in is the way it should have lined up on there. Guess I was wrong. This is actually the first time I've ever tried copying one of my photos. Well, you know what? Let's run it again, because I have no intention of printing my own photos. I'll put another piece in. All right, hit color. Okay. Oh, there we go. Wow, that thing is quiet. You can hear the printer head running, but you can't hear the scanner part at all. All right, how did it do this time? Well, I obviously got it lined up better that time. Give it a moment to focus in. Let me grab. All right, here is the original. Try to get them all on the screen at the same time. There we go. So there's the original. There's the copy. You could tell in the coloring it's not 100%. But you know what? It's not that bad. I see a couple lines in there. I think, like most printers, unless they've changed it, I'm going to have to do an alignment on it. But right out of the box, that's not bad. Not bad at all. And the photo paper, I guess, isn't too horrible. I don't know. I prefer Kodak myself. So, all right. With that, I guess we'll give it a 9 out of 10. I hate giving out 10s, but I mean, it's a pretty nice printer. The controls are a little difficult out of the box. You know, the price though, $35. They could have gave you the regular ink cartridges instead of the ones that are like, they hold like half the ink, I do believe. And they're refillable, but yeah, I don't want to go spend. It's $20. You know, what was it at Walmart? $15 for the black cartridge, and I think it was like $17 for the color cartridge. I mean, it's almost, you might as well just go buy another printer. That's how it is nowadays. So, all right, thanks for joining us here today. Hope you found this information useful. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. So, well, have a great day, and if you pick one of these up, have fun printing.